Welcome back, everybody. You guys are tuned into the official YouTube channel for the CoinCasso cryptocurrency exchange. My name's Artie, and this is Bitcoin Today, a show where we discuss everything cryptocurrency to keep you guys up to date and informed on all things happening in the crypto industry. In today's episode, Bitcoin drops to 12.7K and Ethereum fees are dropping. Abra's CEO portfolio is 50% Bitcoin. The number of Bitcoin whales is at an all-time high, and how you shouldn't expect another 2017 altcoin season, as well as Silvergate seeing a 40% increase of digital currencies by their customers. And as always, we go over the top cryptocurrency prices as well as the top movers in the last 24 hours. Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, October 27th. Thank you so much for joining me every single day. The amount of you guys that come back here every single day to watch these videos, you're my bros. And if you're new here and you like what you see in this video, consider subscribing down below and tick that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new one. All right, let's jump right into these prices. Let's head on over to the CoinCasso.com homepage. Bitcoin currently sitting at $13,107, down 0.27% from yesterday. Ethereum, $393, down 3.6% from yesterday. And Chainlink, $1179, down 4.3% from yesterday. Looking at the top movers over the last 24 hours, Kusama up 25.7%, Velas up 15.72%, Ocean Protocol up 11.5%, and Polkadot up 9.1%. All right, now quickly, I want to go over yesterday's video. I told you guys that Ethereum was going to pull back a little bit on a Fibonacci retracement to the 618 level, and guess what? I was right. So let's do a little bit of technical analysis to see exactly what the price action did. Jumping onto the CoinCasso exchange here, we have a chart brought to you by TradingView, as well as market orders, market depth, and all of the other tools you need to make an educated decision when buying or selling cryptocurrencies. But let's zoom this chart out. Boom, we are looking at Ethereum on the 1 hour chart, meaning that each candlestick is 1 hour. Now, this is my Fibonacci retracement that I did yesterday. Let me take it off really quick. I will do it again to show you exactly what I was talking about when the price rejected. So yesterday I saw the price sitting right about here. We had this big bull run, taking the price up from $364 all the way up to $421. Now, if you look at the huge slump that we had from September 1st, $420 is a 618 level retracement on there, but we are continuing our bullish momentum, so I don't think we're actually going to reject all the way down. Basically, I was telling you guys, since Bitcoin had this big bull run, Ethereum has yet to catch up. It's still got another 18% just to catch up to the movement that Bitcoin had over its previous highest high. So taking our Fibonacci tool, from the bottom of this movement to the top of this movement, you can see the price rejected right here at the 618 level and is coming back up. This is very, very, very good for Ethereum. Now, if you're wondering where the price is going to go from here, if you entered at this 618 level, your first take profit level is going to be here at 420. Second is 432. And the third take profit level is going to be 452. We are going to see some resistance here again at the $450 level. But if and when that does happen, only expect a 50 or 618 level retracement because it will continue the uptrend. Now, enough technical analysis. I want to go over the top news articles that I've seen over the last 24 hours and help you guys read between the lines to see what's actually happening in the crypto industry. I'm not going to read these articles. I'm just going to run through them really, really quickly. Bitcoin falls to 12.7K as global equities falter and Ethereum fees continue to drop. When Ethereum had its initial bull run from about the $220 level all the way up to nearly $500, they had announced their Ethereum 2.0 testnet and the price just skyrocketed. But as the price skyrocketed, Ethereum fees went through the roof. And at that exact time on September 1st, we saw a pullback from Ethereum at that $485 level, and it dropped like crazy. Now that Ethereum fees are dropping, we should see another huge spike from Ethereum. Abra's CEO portfolio is 50% Bitcoin as cash is becoming worthless. The co-founder and CEO of major cryptocurrency company Abra is clearly bullish on Bitcoin. I'm going to link every single one of these articles below so that you can read them individually if they interest you. But essentially, these huge whales that have so much Bitcoin and they're they're so backed behind it. If they're making moves like this, you should follow suit and diversify your portfolio and add cryptocurrencies into the mix. Now, the reason I'm going over these articles is to show you exactly what the market is seeing. The market is seeing these articles and it subsequently makes moves in confluence with these articles. Next up, the number of Bitcoin whales hits an all-time high during the latest bull run. This right here is a chart of all of the Bitcoin addresses that are above 1K. The number of addresses jumped up from 2,178 to 2,271. This translates to approximately $13 million. If the whales are investing, you should as well, until the point of euphoria where everybody's talking about crypto and everybody's optimistic about it. That's when these whales sell off. Next up, don't expect another 2017 style alt season as Ethereum continues slump versus Bitcoin. Now, I like to read between the lines with these articles, and when they're saying Ethereum is still in a slump versus Bitcoin, that means there's a huge amount that Ethereum can grow. You want just a little bit of optimism in Ethereum as the price creeps up before everybody starts shorting it. So this article is basically telling people throw your money at Bitcoin because it's continuing to rise as Ethereum's going down. But what happens then is all the market makers sell off their Bitcoin, throw it into Ethereum. Ethereum takes off while all the retail investors invested into Bitcoin and they take the loss. Next up, Silvergate Bank sees a 40% increase in deposits from digital currency customers. Silvergate Bank added $586 million in new deposits from firms and individuals in the cryptocurrency industry in the third quarter of 2020. Amazing news for cryptocurrencies because more and more people are using them day to day. This just gives us solid statistics behind it, which is very bullish. And next up, imploding Trump-Pelosi COVID-19 deal leads to a 3% Bitcoin price drop. This is why people think the price dropped to 12.7K, but it has rebounded quite nicely, going up to 13.1. Bitcoin price fell 3% as the US stock market plummeted, but traders expect these two key levels to prevent a deep Bitcoin pullback. Basically, they're talking about support and resistance zones. And last up, in current events, Bitcoin steady over 13K as JP Morgan has a eureka moment. Whole article link below, but one key phrase right here. Ready? Analysts for JP Morgan, the largest US bank, wrote Friday in a report that Bitcoin has considerable price upside in the long term. That's all the public is going to read out of the entire article. The public is going to be very bullish on cryptocurrencies, throw their money at Bitcoin, and the price is going to continue to go up. But when that price starts dropping, watch for Ethereum to take the lead. If you guys are in the cryptocurrency space and you're reading current events and you're seeing all these news articles, make sure you're reading the headlines. The headlines is what all of the consumers read. Then learn to read between the lines and see what's a signal and what's a good opportunity for a short. All right, and you guys know what time it is. Let's choose the fan of the day winner of 10 USDT. If you guys don't know what fan of the day is, I choose a random comment with a random comment generator from the previous video. That person is dubbed fan of the day, pinned comment on that video, and winner of 10 USDT. If you guys want to be entered to win, just leave a comment down below, as well as signing up to the CoinCasso exchange. Leave your CoinCasso ID number attached to that comment, and you could win fan of the day tomorrow. All right, looking at the comments section and search, and the winner of fan of the day is Adam Bender. His comment was, "Market go boom." I don't know if that's an implosion or an explosion. Anyway, Adam, congratulations. You are fan of the day. You will be the pinned comment on that video. If you guys got some value out of this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe on your way out, and we will see you back here on Thursday.